Hi, I'm Vikki Crossland, and this is my business partner, Brandi Cook of Meybohm Real Estate.
For our buyers, we like to stay on top of the current lending changes. Today's focus is all about VA loans. We are really excited today to share with you some very important VA loan changes that affect not only the current active veterans, but our past veterans too.
Today we have Jamie Fisher from Veterans Lending Group to highlight 3 or 4 major changes that you may want to take advantage. Welcome, Jamie.
Thanks, Vikki. Today I just want to address a few points. The main one is for the Vietnam, Korea era veterans, is that VA loan rates are a lot lower than they used to be. In the past, the VA loan was much higher in rate. And if you have a disability rating now of 10% or more, the VA funding fee is actually waived.
That's good.
So the big difference, if your funding fee is waived, is that you get a much better rate using your VA home loan benefit. And a couple of other just new benefits under the Navy Blue Water bill that just passed last year that went into effect this year is if you're an active duty military member and you have a Purple Heart, the VA funding fee is actually waived while you're on active duty. So the VA also removed its cap on the VA loan. So if you haven't used your VA loan benefit, you now have no cap.
Today we also have Tamora Batterell from Veterans Lending Group. Do you have anything that you would like to share?
Yes, I just wanted to say that, it's a really great thing that we have this benefit available to our service members here in the CSRA, considering that we have so many service members and veterans that, are at Fort Gordon and are serving at the Savannah Riverside.
Yes. That is true. That is exciting that we have that here in this area.
Thank you, Jamie and Tamora, for coming out and providing that valuable information on how our veterans can utilize these finance options to their benefits.
We want you to realize your real estate goals and dreams. If you have any further questions, reach out to us or reach out to this group that specializes in VA loans.
And also, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with all of our videos.